Hello and welcome to Gallery Teachers and today's masterclass. My name is Neil Harris and the topic of today's masterclass is Rethinking Classroom Observations. Welcome to the classroom visit. Now, when I mentioned that term, classroom observation, how did you feel? Did you have a positive response? Or like many teachers, myself included, did you have a more negative feeling? Maybe a sense of fear, of irritation, and really asking the question, well, what is the point? I'm going to suggest that if we reframe the classroom observation as the classroom visit, we are able to turn a potential negative into a definite positive, thinking about who, when, how, and why, in order to make the classroom visit as positive an experience for you as possible, and one which really does help your continuous professional development, your CPD.